Money, 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 money. Money, money. Money, money. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Check the mic, check the mic. Let's go check it. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Let's check to make sure we got everything live and in moving ability over here. Let's make sure that everything is going on properly. Let's see. Let's see. Are we live? 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 Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right, we live on the YouTube, yes sir. We live on the YouTube, yes sir, yes sir. Let's make sure we're live on all them socials there. All them socials. Let's make sure. Let's make sure. I tell you. That coffee though. Oh my God, that coffee hits different, bro. It hits different, bro. All right. We on the socials. All right. Yo. What's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house. And we got another episode of Power Play. Yes, sir. Where we go over stocks for the Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time through 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We get ready for the Power Hour to see whether or not these stocks have gas in the tank to potentially run later on in the day during the power hour. And of course, we put them on a high heat and let them simmer a little bit. Let them simmer a little bit, I tell you. Yes, sir. Let them simmer a little bit. And we go ahead and get a victory royale in Fortnite for the community, for the Banger Nation. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money. All right. Look at this. They had an update, folks. They had an update in Fortnite. They had I have an interesting story, actually. I'm going to talk to you about what happened last night. But before I do that, they did have a update today, and you could see that Batman is in the game, and so is the Batman Sprite. The Batman Sprite. Looky, little Batman Beach Sprite. Looky, how cute is he? Oh my goodness gracious. And the foundation. And what is this other one? What is this other one called? The Batman Sprite, the 7 Sprite. What's this dude right over here? Is he like the Air Sprite or something like that? Something like that. Let's see what the Play Now does. Let's see. Play Now. Oh, it just puts you to the game. Never mind. I don't know. Anyway, we'll talk about that in a minute. We're looking at ticker symbol ATPC, Agape ATP Corporation. It's currently up 83%. We got it on the 1 minute chart, the 1 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. And we can see that it's formed what appears to be a cup and handle pattern. It looks like it's definitely in the oversold territory on the RSI, and we had that big candle that spiked right over here, but now the candles are subsiding in size. It's currently up 86%. If we go to the custom scanners from the private Discord that we're sharing with the community on the live stream, we can see that ATPC is a low float stock of 1 million shares with volume of 26 million shares. So we're going to keep an eye on this ticker since it is the leading gainer so far. It's been a quite slow day, I would say. Quite slow day with volume not really being that wonderful. You know what I mean? But it's okay. We'll keep an eye on it because it just takes one stock to be particularly attractive. And right now, this is what it looks like. But I got to tell you, I'm kind of like really in the mood to go and jump into Fortnite pretty soon and check out the new Batman update. Because it looks kind of dope. I'm going to be honest with you. And I've seen other Batman updates in this game before, and it was actually pretty awesome. And so, let me tell you real quick before we start talking about stocks and talking about more Fortnite per se. Let me tell you what happened yesterday. So in after hours, I didn't stream this, okay? But in after hours, I decided, after the bell closed, I decided I was going to play some Fortnite. I have a lot of friends that like to play zero build. Now you guys know I prefer build, but I'll play zero build because there's so many people that like playing zero build. So they're my friends. What am I going to do? Not hang out with them because they don't build? They don't want to play builds? Okay, so I play with them. All right. So we're we're playing zero build with my friend, and I accidentally forget to change the settings before we go into the game. And it turns out that we're playing in squads, so there's supposed to be 4 people on the team, but I didn't uncheck the no fill button on the game, so it's basically a 2v4. We're going in, me and my friend, as a duo, basically playing against squads. Okay, and we did pretty decent. I think we finished, I think about third or something like that. But we ended up having a really massive battle with a squad, a really massive battle with a squad. Uh, as we were making our way out of the storm, it was like one of the final storms, and we almost eliminated them. And you know, this one guy wiped us out. So I look at his name, and his name is Grandpa Willie YT, and I'm like, no way. Is this guy an old timer? Is this guy, a Gen X or Boomer who's playing Fortnite? And I look him up, and lo and behold, he's on YouTube and he's a streamer, right? So I'm watching him on the stream, and he's pretty decent no build guy, so I decided to just message him and say, hey, you know what, GG's, bro, you eliminated me and my partner. We were the ones that were battling you on the way out of the storm in the last game. So he was actually a really nice guy, and he sent me a friend request, right, because we were chatting on his stream. And I ultimately ended up playing with the guy. Real good guy, right? Real good guy. So that was kind of my little story about what happened last night. I thought that was kind of cool, and I figured I'd share it with you about what was happening with that. But let's take a look at a couple of tickers for a few seconds before we jump into a Fortnite game, although I'm really itching to get into that Batman thing going on in Fortnite. You know what I mean? I'm really itching to do that. But let's take a look at TGHL. Let's take a look at this ticker. This is called the Grow Hub Limited Class A Ordinary Shares. It's a Singapore stock. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the custom scanners that we're sharing from the private Banger Nation Discord right over here. And we can see that it's a 13 million float stock. So it's on the heavier side. It's definitely on the heavier side. But again, it was a stock that was sub-dollar. So again, the higher float is less of an issue provided that the price is not that high and provided that you have a lot of volume. And you could see that the volume is actually 115 million. So you have a 10x rotation of volume to float. So that's pretty decent. So the stock ran up quite a bit and then ultimately pulled back. It's currently up 70%. You could see that it had spiked. It's very, very choppy price action, but generally speaking, it is still up 68%. The company's trading higher after it announced a $400 million merger agreement with another company called NChem. I don't know what that is. Have no clue. All right, but they also have a presumed earnings report coming out in a little less than 2 weeks. We could see that the RSI is meandering on the upward trend, but it is very choppy. So this stock has not been an easy stock to trade. We could see that the volume is low, in fact, but we'll do a little Fibonacci retracement, I tell you. Let's give it a little Fibonacci, you know what I mean? Give it a little Fibonacci retracement. You can see that the price action is just above the Fibonacci level at around $1.33, and resistance on this fella would be roughly at around $1.55. $1.55. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to jump into the old Fortnite. I'm going to jump into the old Fortnite because I'm itching to check out what changed. So let's go ahead and jump into the game and see what's going on, and then we'll go back and check out some more stocks. We'll keep an eye on TGHL for the time being. But let me also take a look at ATPC. Let me see. ATPC. Let me see. It's formed that cup and handle, so it's going to have a key resistance level as it comes to fill that upper wick over there. Let's get that. Got our feed pencil activated so we can see where there might be some resistance at around $4.90. And of course, if it's going to be at $4.90, it may very well also be at the $5 mark, which is a psychological resistance level. We got 30 folks in the stream. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get to the first 100, and I'm going to go and get us a victory royale. That's the game plan. I keep saying it, but all my victory royales seem to be happening after the show. I don't know what the heck is going on here. I don't know. And I'm always in second place. It's like so annoying. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. But anyway, we will see. We will see what goes on. I'm gonna have a little coffee right now. The map looks it looks the same. The map looks the same to me, but I'm guessing it's not. I didn't have a chance to look at any of the videos to see exactly what changed on the map. Did they get rid of my boat? Is my boat still there? I hope my boat's still there. I don't see it on the map, but I'm hoping that my boat's is still over there, and I hope that the rubber ducky's over there, because you know I love me some rubber ducky there, so I can get to the vault and get all that gold. I like to hoard the gold, you know what I mean? Because it allows me to get all my lovely little weaponry and you know my heals and all the good things that I need to take care of business on Fortnite Island. Yes, sir. All right, so we're going in, folks. Here we go. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. How come I don't see the boat, man? I don't see the boat. Let me get rid of my little marker, bro. Let me get rid of my marker. Let me get rid of my marker. Oh my God, the boat's gone, bro. What happened to the boat? What happened to the freaking boat? Where's the boat? Where's the beef? Oh, I hope they didn't get rid of the vault, man. I hope they didn't get rid of the vault. They did not get rid of the vault, did they? Did they get rid of the vault, bro? Oh no, I don't like this change at all. No, 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 no. No, 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 get away, get away! Get out of here, fool! Get out of here, fool! No, bro. There's no vault? How do you know there's no vault, Rogue? Is that true? There's no more vault, bro? For real? No, come on, don't say that. Don't say that to me. You're hurting my feelings, bro. Nah, bro. Nah. That can't be right. That can't be right. No. 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 That can't be right. Alright, I better get some heals on me. This fella hurt me. He hurt my feelings. He hurt me a little bit. He hurt me a little bit, bro. Alright, here we go. Let's get this little sprite fella over here. Oh, they got the rapid fire SMG. I like this weapon actually. I like it a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like the rapid fire as a weaponry option, if you will. Do I like it more than the pistol? No, that I don't think is the case. But why is my game kind of like laggy? No, they still got the Vogue. They still got the little rubber ducky, bro. They still got the rubber ducky, bro. They still got them, bro. They do, bro. They still got them. Yeah, look, the little rubber ducky. The little rubber ducky. Do I get this gold thing? Yeah, I should probably get the gold one. Alright. Alright, there you go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright. Ooh, med kit. Take it. Take the med kit. Take it, I tell you. So, anywho. Alright. We're still rocking and rolling over here. Why does my game feel weird? My game's feeling a little weird. I don't know. I tell you, I don't know. Alright. What? Yeah, my keyboard is feeling a little odd. I don't know. Yo, what the freak just happened here, bro? What the heck was that? What the heck? What? What the heck is going on? What is going on over here? What is going on, I tell you? Alright, let's get this real quick, bro. One for me. Oh yeah, they got rid of the hunting rifle, guys, but now they got the sniper. Ooh, mobility! Look at that! Look at that! Why is my... Oh, you know what? I think they turned off some of the settings on mobility, on the way you move. That's what I think it is. I think they changed my settings, bro. Yep, I think they did. Yep. Let me see. Yep. I know what they did. They turned off my... I can't do anything about it right now. I'm gonna have to change it later on. But I think they changed the settings on the the ability to move diagonally. Oh man, I gotta go and fix this. Come on, Fortnite. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that to me? Why'd you do that? I didn't want you to do that. Alright, alright, alright. You see how I'm having difficulty moving like that? At a diagonal? See? Yeah, it's affecting my mobility. Alright, we're in the storm, so I gotta chill out and just deal with this the way it is right now. Alright, alright, alright. Nah, I don't want that. I don't want that. I do want some of this stuff. You know what we're gonna have to do? We're gonna have to find a place. Yeah, you see, it's not really moving the way I want it to move. No, it's not. Alright, let's go. This is a problem. This is gonna be a problem, folks. I gotta fix this. Oh, you were asking me if the vault, Rogue. You were asking me if the vault was. No, yeah. Well, the vault is. It turns out that the vault is still in play. So yeah. We good. We are good to go. I tell you. All right, I'm gonna go over here and try to fix this. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fix this right now. Let me see. I don't wanna have a situation here where I end up dying. Hold on. Settings, right? Mobility. Right over here. Movement. I gotta make sure I'm not gonna die to storm though. You know what? I gotta get out of storm. I can't mess with this. Look at this. I almost died, bro. I think they disconnected the ability to move diagonally when they did the thingamajig over there, whatever they did there. You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, I think they affected that. 1, 2, there you go. You see? Look, you see, I can't, like, see, I'm trying to build off to the, see? It took the 45-degree angle off of my gameplay. You understand? Yeah, yep. Where did I leave my med kits? Hold on. Please hold. There they are. I need my med kits because I'm still in psalm, bro. I got a grappler. I got a Batman grappler, bro. I do, I tell you. Did I get a Batman Sprite? Oh, I didn't get no Batman Sprite. Yo, they wrecked me though, dude. I'm in the storm right now, so I gotta like chill out. You know? But this is not no bueno, bro. No bueno. Ooh, wait, the Batman. I'm a Batman, bro. Batman, bro. Look at it. You see? Like I gotta like completely turn. You know? You see it? It's messing up my mobility, bro. That's not good. Man, bro. Fortnite, what are you doing, bro? Do me a favor, Doubles. Look up the settings that I gotta change to be able to get the diagonal movement on keyboard and mouse. Yeah, look it up. I don't remember what the setting is. There's definitely a settings for it. See, I'm not gonna rock this because I've got a yellow SMG. Where are the pistols? Did they get rid of the pistols? I'm a Batman. Rogue. Wasabi. Rogue. Wasabi. Ooh, wait. Ooh, look, pot rocks, bro. All right. See how it's messing me up, bro? Oh man, come on. Let me pop this thing. This is messing me up, dog. I'm not gonna lie to you. I kind of like the pop rocks. I'm gonna get rid of this hunting rifle thing, bro. The sniper, I'm gonna get rid of it. I want the pop rocks, bro. Yeah, I want the pop rocks, dude. I'm not gonna lie to you. Ooh, is that a pistol? I don't know. I'd rather have a pistol as well. Yep. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Alright. You see it? You see how my movement's all screwed up? You see it, those? Yeah, man. Yeah, a little messed up, bro. Let's go. It's messing me up a little bit, man. Alright, I'm not going to be able to fix it in game. Alright, we're just going to have to muddle through it, team. Banger Nation, we're going to muddle through it. DBL. MAN, an expensive stock, MAN, is currently up 34%. MAN, man, it's up 34%. Prosenta, bro. Prosenta. Gizmo tutorial. Use a gizmo from your pickaxe slot. Okay, alright. Alright. Boom. Alright, let's hit the sucker. Let's get the pistola. And then get out of here. Pistola. Let's get it. Oh, what's this? A Batmobile. Look, bro. There's a Batmobile over here, bro. Look at this, dude. Dude, they got the Batmobile, bro. Get out of here, bro. Look at that. They got the Batmobile, bro. Look at that. Oh, my. It looks so schmaxy. Holy Toledo. This is loud as hell, though, bro. Looks like somebody shot it, bro. Oh, what's going on, bro? Why am I flying into the storm, though, bro? I did not want that, bro. Dude, it's like, what is going on with this thing, dude?
You might want to jump out.
Yeah, I think so, bro.
It's a monster truck.
Alright, I gotta figure out how to fix this thing, bro. I don't know if I can do it right now. Let me see. Did you find the instructions on how to fix this? I gotta try to fix this, bro. Movement, front, weapon. I'm gonna have to fight, dude. This is messed up. It's the diagonal movement that you would have as a controller player. Hey, what's up, NASA? The game reset my settings, so I'm having an issue because my keyboard and mouse is not working with a diagonal movement like you would with a controller. So I'm trying to figure out how to set it.
I changed double movement. Is that what it's called?
That's it. Double movement. Yeah.
I got you.
How do you do it?
Go to settings.
Go to settings. Yeah.
Mouse and keyboard tab.
This one.
Yep.
Mouse
and keyboard. That's
this one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you
Keyboard movement.
Keyboard movement section.
Yep.
Turn. Use control. Use custom diagonals to on.
It is on.
Okay.
Wait. You turn. Yeah. And then what?
Set forward diagonal angle to 65.
65?
That's what it says.
Okay. Okay.
Run diagonally about how you use your mouse.
Yep, and then what?
Strafe angle.
Yeah.
Set it to 90.
I got that.
Backward diagonal angle.
Yep.
Set to 135.
I got that.
And that should be it.
And then apply. Alright. Hopefully that does it. I gotta move. I think that's it, bro. Yeah, buddy! Yo! Bobo Beeps! Lima Charlie, bro. It still doesn't feel right, bro. I don't know. Nah, it's okay. You know what, bro? It's okay, bro. Yeah, it's okay. I think it's okay. I don't know. But it was definitely not okay before. You know what I mean? We gotta go. Alright. I think it's working the way it's supposed to. My day's going good, NASA. Really good. On Twitch. Going real well. How about yourself, man? You gonna be playing some Fortnite later? I got an enemy over here, bro. Get out of here, bro. still not working exactly the way I want it to, bro. Mobility definitely changed. My F key, you know what it is? No way, I broke the F key, dude. Bro, I broke the freaking F key, dude. No way, dude. It's the F key is broken. Do you guys believe this, guys? The freaking F key is broken, bro.
You broke the F key?
No, you broke it, Doubles. I refuse to take responsibility for this.
You broke the one on your keyboard?
Doubles, Doubles, no!
No,
You broke it, bro.
Did you legitimately break it?
It's broken, bro.
Oh, no.
Why is this not, bro? It's not even letting me pick it up. Come on. What the freak is going on here, bro?
C. Try pressing C.
Yeah, but I'm looking for my pistol, bro. It's not letting me take the pistol. I want the pistol. That's it. That's what I want, bro. My F key's busted, dude. That's what it is. The F key broke again. What the freak is going on, bro?
Well, at least this one was also live on camera.
Oh, no. No, you definitely broke it, bro. It's my key that's broken, boys and girls. Oh, man. Huh. NASA said, glad to hear. Yeah, I'm probably going to get on tonight to stream and see if Hover or Bree want to play. Nice, bro. Nice. Dude, my F key is broken, bro. This is crazy, dude. Dude, why is it always my F key that's broken, bro? Yeah, I'm probably going to get on tonight. NASA said, and if want, you can join us to, if that... Yeah, absolutely, bro. Absolutely. Night Rogue said, what's up, Bobo, on YouTube. Oh, my God. Coach broke the F key. Rogue, come on. I did not break it. It was him all... No, it was not me. No, dude, how did I just win, bro? Bro, I just won. I won, and the F key is busted, and I still won. See? Aha! Banger Nation! Banger Nation! Celebration! 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 Huh. You see, Doubles tried to sabotage me, but we still won. What the heck happened? I gotta see what happened. How did I win this?
What happened?
How did I just win this?
What happened?
How did I win this? Rogue said, Victor Romeo, yes, sir, but how did I just win this? What happened? What happened, bro? What happened? Oh, dude, why is the F key not working? Hold on. Maybe if I go in here, let me see. No, see, it does work over here.
Don't
Look,
tap it so hard.
But it works when I type. It doesn't work when...
Gently.
You know what? Maybe it disconnected? Could the F key have disconnected itself?
No.
Could that have been what's going on? What is going on, bro? What is going on, bro? F key is my left movement, right? Move left. How did S become my move? Oh yeah, move left. What about move right though? What? How's the D key my move? No, the D key is not. My settings got changed, bro. Do you see this?
Fortnite broke your settings.
My settings was changed. What the freak, bro?
Wow.
Yo, Bobo B says, Victor Romeo, baby. And we still got to do our analysis of how we exactly won. I'm just saying. I think it's on default, Coach. Do you think they switched it back to WSD? What do you guys do? WASD?
WASD? No, it's not changed back to WASD. Else
move back. Yes, it is, bro. Yes, it is, bro.
Oh my.
Move left is S, which is right, but then look at that. Move back is S. That's wrong. My move back is D. Yeah, bro. What the freak, Fortnite? What's going on, bro? Come on, you change my shiznit. And then move right is F, bruh. Come on, everybody knows that move right is F, bruh. Come on now.
You should probably look to make sure your other settings didn't get
Oh my goodness, they tortured me, bro. Move forward is E, yes, that's accurate. Move left is S, that's accurate. It's ESDF, of course. That's how you do it if you're a typer. If you're a typer, I'm a typer. Don't change my settings, Fortnite. Don't change my settings, yo. I bet you that's what happened when we thought the keyboard was busted. I bet you it was this, bro, all along.
What?
That they changed my settings, bro.
They probably did.
Bruh.
Wow.
Right? All right, let's see if it works now. Well, I got to go into the game to test it. But first we're going to look at the stocks, bro. Bruh, guys, Fortnite, why sabotage me? What's going on here? But before we do that, we have to take a moment, ladies and gentlemen, and we have to say a prayer for the person that lost the game. We like to lovingly call them losers.
Oh my.
Losers. No, 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 no. I feel so bad for them because
No.
they lost.
No.
They lost to somebody who had no right movement. I couldn't move to the right. I had to make 4 left turns to make a right. No, 4 left turns would be going up 360 degrees. 3 left turns.
3 left turns. Right?
Dude, I got lucky, bruh. I got lucky, bruh. I got so lucky, dude. Come on now.
Woo.
Come on, but the Banger Nation deserves it, yo. Look at my victory ratio moving up to 17%. We got to get to 20%, man. Last season we were almost there, bro. We were almost there. Let's go to the replay. Replay. I got to see what happened to that loser. trying to deny the Banger Nation a victory royale, but we can't have none of that, can we, folks? Now,
Oh, it's hilarious now that you actually admitted that you broke the F key.
I did not break the F key. I did not. I did not.
is.
Fortnite broke the F key. Told you.
And Night Rogue heard you?
Come on, man. Night Rogue had no choice. Bobo said you overcame Delta Double's skullduggery. Yes! Facts! That's skullduggery. That's skullduggery, bro. Exactly what that's Bobo. Very well said. Very well. Get your encyclopedia, Doubles. Get your encyclopedia and your dictionary too. Figure it out. Figure it out, I tell you. All right, let's see what happened to this loser.
I didn't even do anything. I'm just sitting here when you're breaking.
No, I'm talking about the guy who was a loser. All right, what's going on? You sold Big Bozo. What? This guy looks like a bot, bro. Is this guy like not even a real person, bro? This guy's probably not even a real person, bro. Look, he's playing against Banana Boy, bro. Banana Boy. Oh, these guys are probably bots, bro. I'm thinking. What do you think, Doubles? Are they actual persons? Because if they play like that, they suck. Right? All right, hold on. All right, who's this pro gamer? Really, bro? Really, bro? Oh, look, they got the villains from Batman in the bathing suits, bro.
Oh yeah, no, they did.
Yeah. They ain't got nothing on our Banger Nation representation. Goldie Brickstorm, much more powerful than these evildoers, I tell you. Right, Doubles? Right, Doubles? Right? Look at that. Trying to extract the sprites, the sprites. All right, let me see. This could not be the last person. Was this the last person, dude? Did they like just extract and then like leave the game or something? What happened? What happened? Let's speed it up. I ain't got no time for this. Come on now. They extracted. Okay. Now they're in the storm, right? They're in the storm. All right. Yo, you greedy, son. You went back down there again, bro? For real? That don't work. Oh, dummy! He took the little soda pop thing, bro. That doesn't work. It doesn't work in Storm, bro. Look at that, and I couldn't even do my dancey dance, bro, because my F key was not working. I had no mobility to the right side, but I do look good in that crown, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I look good in that crown. I do bang representing the Banger Nation. All right. So anyway, that's what's going on. Let's go take a look at some stocks. What do you think, Doubles? Huh? I think we resolved the issue probably, right?
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
I think so. You know what I want to do real quick though before we go ahead and start going with the stocks? I want to go into like a creative mode real quick and check to make sure that my mobility is working, you know?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, cuz now I'm a little upsetty spaghetti, you know?
While you're doing that, I'm just gonna spread out the announcements and stuff.
Yeah, spread out the announcements. Let the folks know we're in La Casa, you know what I mean, bro? Let them know. Tell them what's going on. Tell them about it. Da, 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 da. You know what I mean? Doubles like that.
Yeah.
Tell them about it. Da, 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 da. Where is my... Bro, I had the... oh, man, I lost... Uh-oh. I lost the mode that I used to go into. Oh, man, I don't remember where it is, bro. It was such a good mode. I was practicing my building, my free building. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it, bro. I don't know if I can find it now. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't want one. Free build. This is not it, but let's go into free build real quick. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Free build. Free build. Which one is it? Right here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Select. Let's do it. I just want to see. You know what I mean? Private. Put it on private. Because I don't want to play with nobody. I just want to do a little free build and make sure my settings are fixed. Bro, they messed up my keys, bro. Bro, they messed up my keys, son. Fortnite, bro. Fortnite. They did, bro. They did. They messed up my move. They messed up my mobility. Oh, there we go. There we go, bro. We're back in business, bro. Look, bro. Look, bro. Look, look. We're back in business, bro. Look, 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 bro. Look, bro. Look, 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 look. We back in business, bro. Let's go. All right. Yep, it works. All right, now I'm happy. I'm happy, bro. Woo, woo, woo. I can move. I can move. I can move. Oh, look at that. This thing actually gives you the weapons from this season, bro. Look at that. Look at that. No, don't jump. No, don't jump. Ah, you see, it does. There's no damage from falling. All right. It works. It works. That's all I needed to check on. Yes. It works. All right. Let's get back to the stonks, bro. Let's get back to the stonks. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Everything's working. Let's get a share party going on. Let's take a look at ticker symbol STAK. STAK. Make sure you're following on the Twitch. Not the Twitch, right? Twitch, yeah. Make sure you're following on Twitch at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney, and also on X.com at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. And make sure you got all your notifications on. You need to have your notifications on. We're looking at ticker symbol STAK Inc. STAK. Company's called STAK Inc. STAK Inc. It is a China stock. China stock. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go and visit it on our custom scanners from the private Discord that we're sharing with you on the left-hand side of the screen. With the streaming community, you can see that the float is very low at 810,000 shares. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. The float is 810,000 shares. So it's a low floater. We like to call it a micro mini skirt. A micro mini skirt float, bro. 810,000. The volume on this particular ticker is, as we look at it on the scanner, 53 million. So it had a lot of volume, right? 53 mil. However, the price action was quite choppy. We could see that it formed a triple top. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. It had a top over here, a top over there, and another top over there, and then you had the flusheroo. Price action is currently below the volume weighted average. It's got to get above the volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. The volume weighted average is at $3.70. Cents doubles. 370, bro. 370, I tell you. All right, so it's got to get above $3.70 to be at all schmexy. I'm not really liking the price action, to be honest with you. None of the stocks today really tickled my my fancy, if you will. You know what I mean? But we want to see volume come up. We want to see the RSI move up. We want to see all of that. Casey's in the house on YouTube. What's up, Casey? How are you? He wants us to check out Buru, B-U-R-U. Let's take a look at Buru, B-U-R-U. Let's go into the private Discord's features and look up the technical information on BURU. Let's take a look at the stock layout of BURU. It's Nuburu Inc. It has a float of 243 million shares, so it has massive float. It's a massively huge float. So let's go into this. Let's go into this situation right over here, and it's a 12-cent stock. So this stock is probably primed for a reverse split, is my guess. That's my guess. Okay, I don't know if that's the case or not. I'll check and see if there's any information on. But as far as the float is concerned, massive, 243 million shares, 243 million shares. It's also a very inexpensive stock, which should give it a little bit of forgiveness, right? But still, that's a lot of float. That's a heck of a lot of float, right? Okay, so it's a high float stock, and as far as the volume is concerned, the volume is extremely, extremely, extremely low. So let's go to the volume. Volume is only for 243 million float stock. The volume
million.
is what? 50 million.
16.
15 million. All right, so you can see that the volume is horrendous. So it just doesn't have a lot of volume going on. Boa Beeps on YouTube said to Casey on YouTube, "What's up, Casey? What's going on? What's going on?" All right, so the volume to float ratio is completely no bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Now it has earnings presumably in 14 days, but if it's selling at around 12 cents, which it is, I'm sure that their earnings are not particularly good. But let's see if there's any news. Let's go and check on the news, will you? Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. Thursday, July 16. Nuburo stock pulls back after funding plan reshapes balance sheet. Okay, let's click into that. Reshapes the balance. To me, that sounds like it might have been a reverse split, maybe. Let's see. But it doesn't look like the reverse split happened yet, right? Okay, so shares fell in Thursday's pre-market session after the company priced a best efforts public offering, expecting to raise approximately $38 million in gross proceeds. Okay, so they attempted to dilute is what's going on, and they already have like a massive float. All right, so that's not really particularly appetizing, if you will. The stock's decline came against a slightly negative broader market backdrop, with Standard & Poor's 500 futures down 0.1%, offering to support techie deal. Nubura is offering $244 million, 244 million shares of common stock and or pre-funded warrants, together with accompanying Series B preferred stock. The combined offer price is 15 cents per common share, and accompanying preferred stock. Okay, the pricing represents an approximate 30% premium to Nubura's July 15 close at around just under 12 cents. The company expects the offering to close on or about July 16th, which is today, subject to customary conditions. Okay, proceeds, target acquisition, and debt. Let me see what that's all about. Let's see. Hold on. Plans to use the proceeds to satisfy financial assurance requirements tied to the Italian government's Golden Power review of its proposed acquisition of a 70% controlling interest in Tekken SPA. The company plans to redeem approximately $15.5 million of remaining principal under its December 2025 debenture. It also intends to repay $1.25 million of convertible notes issued in connection with the Lyocon acquisition. Financing could erase share issuance pressure. The transaction is also expected to eliminate recurring monthly amortization and equity line share issuances tied to the outstanding debenture. So it looks like they're trying to do a public offering at 15 cents a share. It's currently at 12 cents a share, and that's supposed to erase the debt, or a lot of debt, for this particular stock. It's a high risk stock. I mean, and it doesn't really have a heck of a lot of volume, and its float is horrendous. So it's not the kind of stock that I like to play with. I don't play well with stocks that have large floats and low volume. Not my cup of tea, but it is an inexpensive stock. There is pressure for it to get above the $1 mark because NASDAQ requires that the stock has to be above $1, and right now it is far from it. So maybe there will be pressure for it to comply with NASDAQ, or maybe down the road they'll do a reverse split. But right now the key is it just doesn't have a heck of a lot of volume, right? And as a result, it's not moving. Again, not stock or financial advice. I'm not stock or financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I see, and it's not ready for anything at this point, as far as I can see. It needs volume. Volume, I tell you. It needs volume. That's what I'm saying. Yes, sir. Let's go take a look at ticker symbol LIMN.
LIMN.
Let's take a look at it. I can't believe I got a victory royale because everybody else was a bot, bro. Can you imagine? And it couldn't have happened at a better time, bro, because my keyboard was like dysfunctional, bro.
Hey, there you go.
Yeah, my keyboard was dysfunctional, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and
I was a
gentlemen.
little concerned there, bro. You know, I was a little concerned. I'm just saying. All right, so we're looking at Liminatus Pharma. Okay, so it looks like a biotech company. The VWAP is at 16 cents. So this is another one of those cheapo stocks, right? The volume weighted average is at 16 cents. The price action is just below VWAP. You can see that the RSI right over here has been dipping downward towards the oversold area, which is a bearish signal. Obviously, volume candles are moving downward since we are still way before the power hour, 44 minutes before the power hour, before the power hour, right? So we still have a lack of volume in the overall market. Plus, today has been a pretty slow day, bro, right?
Ooh.
Yeah, the volume has been kind of come see, come saw the entire day. I haven't really seen a single stock that I liked. How about that?
Wow.
No, no, have not. Have not. And sometimes that's what happens, you know what I mean? Sometimes that's what happens. But anyway, it needs to get volume. It formed what appears to be a double top. So let's get the graffiti activated. And it has a top over here and a top over here. You had the flush that put the price action below the VWAP. And basically, it's going to need some volume. I need to see this particular RSI move upward. I need to see these candles over here for volume to move upward, and I need to see a realistic challenge to the 16-cent volume weighted average so that this can push upward. Aside from that, it looks fantastic. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. That's it. That's all. That's all I'm talking about. Let's go take a look at IQST. IQST. Let's take a look at it. Look at it. All right, so this is a stock. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the custom scanners. Folks, if you want access to these custom scanners and all the news features and all the research features, okay, not just the title of the news press release, no, actual research materials, okay, our Discord server has it 24 hours a day. 7 days a week, you can access all kinds of news, press releases, filings, and research material on every single stock. Plus, you have multiple scanners in the Discord. This is the Top Gainer Market Mover scanner. We also have a scanner that's specifically designed to look at stocks just before they start to break out. Okay, it's geared towards measuring the parabolic momentum, the momentum that's starting to build up just before a stock is most likely to break out. Right, so we have that scanner as well, and of course a lot of educational content. And also right now what we're doing is we're having a one-on-one session with myself where you can ask questions, extensive questions regarding how to use the server or how I trade. Again, you have to always do your own trading. I'm not a stock or financial advisor, but I could tell you what works for me, and I could tell you some of the things that have been working for me and pitfalls that I try to avoid throughout the years and things of that nature. So all of that can be asked. Or if you want to ask me about Fortnite, let's go, baby. You want to ask me about weightlifting, let's go, baby. You want to talk to me about the beach all day long, baby. You want to talk to me about a ribeye, a lobster tail.
All day long.
All day long, I tell you. Can I have a lobster tail?
Yes,
with,
sir.
with that butter dripping. Doubles, can I have a lobster tail?
Right,
Give me a lobster tail, son. Put a
Yeah.
picture of the lobster tail with the butter dripping off of it, bro. Please.
Yeah.
Give me a picture. I need one, bro. I
Your
need it, I tell
lobster
you.
said you needs it, huh?
I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry, brother.
Angry.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right. So you got all that going on. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment to do your 4-day trial. It's $9.99, and you can ask whatever you want during that one-on-one session. I highly recommend it. Some of our folks in the audience right now actually took the one-on-one with the coach. So if you don't mind, peoples, let them know how it was. Tell them if you enjoyed yourself.
Let 'em know.
And if it was helpful, go ahead. Oh my, you got surf and turf in front of me, son. You challenging me with filet mignon and lobster tails. But I don't want none of the artichokes, bro. No, that's not an artichoke. What is that thing, bro? What do they call that daggone thing? I'm tired of those things, bro. What do they call them? I forget what that vegetable is. I don't want that. I want the potatoes. See the potatoes?
The
The patata. The patata looks good, bro. The patata looks great, bro.
Yeah,
It does, bro. It does. All right, we got 152 folks in the house. Let's go and get a share party going on. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 200. Let's get to the first 200, and let's take a look at ticker symbol DXST. DXST. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. Doubles. Let's take a look at it, bro. All right, so what's going on with it? It's testing the volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. The volume weighted average is at $2.78. You can see that the price action is in fact challenging that price point. If I get the graffiti pencil activated, we can see that it's forming what appears to be potentially a double bottom. I'm suspecting that this second double bottom could very easily become a cup and handle type of a setup if volume comes in. RSI is in fact drifting upward, but you can still see that there's not a lot of volume yet. Not a lot of volume. So we're hoping to see volume come in, which would be an indication that there is a catalyst that this is going to keep moving upward, and a much more aggressive movement on the RSI moving upward as well, and a break of the VWAP at $2.78. These are some of the things that I would be looking at to see whether or not DXST actually has gas in the tank to potentially run. It is a China stock, so it's going to be most likely than not a pretty risque type of a stock, and a lot of times these stocks will move on light volume, which means they also go up and down in both directions on relatively light volume. So that's a thing, right? We can see it's an 897,000 float stock on the custom scanners. That is a very low float, very, 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 very low float. Volume 22 million shares, 22 million shares. So that's a lot of volume, low float. Currently it's up 33%, but again, you know, a lot of that volume happened over here where the stock popped up and dropped, and that's kind of a, you know, a common theme with a lot of these China stocks. So they're not for the faint of heart, you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? Doubles. Bobo Beeves on YouTube said, the call is fabulous. Ask Coach anything and he will oblige you with a thoughtful, accurate, and delightful, entertaining answer. Thank you, Bobo. Appreciate you letting the folks know how your call was with me. I enjoyed chatting with you, my friend. It was always a wonderful time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So that's the situation with DXST. We still have 38 minutes, folks, before the power hour. So I'm going to go over maybe one more stock, and then we'll jump into Fortnite and try to get a second victory royale for the community. No, I'm not being greedy. My community, the Banger Nation, needs more victory royales and a lot more, as I like to say, money, 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 money. Did I mention the bricks, bro? The bricks for the Banger Nation. The bricks, I tell you, the bricks. Yes, sir. Let's take a look at IQST real quick before we jump into the game. IQST, let's go take a look at it. Let's take a look at it, folks. Okay, so first thing we do, we go right into the custom scanners. This is how we use the custom scanners from the private Discord. We always look to see what the float is. Float, 7 million. Not high, not low, not horrible, not wonderful, but not bad, okay? Volume. 127 million shares. 127 million shares. Okay, that's good. Currently up 44%. The next thing we do is we look to see if there's a catalyst. Was there press releases, there news, etc., 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 and we do that through the custom features in the Discord, and we see that the company is trading higher after it reported a year-over-year increase in H1 preliminary new revenue results. So that was the catalyst that pushed the price action up. But when we look at the stock, it had quite the choppy type of price action going on, right? Look at how choppy it is, and it looks like it's ranging pretty much. So if we get the graffiti pencil activated, we can see that it is pretty much ranging from here to here and from here to here. So it's ranging in this region, and that's not necessarily a wonderful thing. We have confirmation that it's ranging because the RSI is also ranging as well. What we really want to see is the RSI start to push to the upside. We want to see these volume candles start pushing to the upside as well. But again, we still have 36 minutes before the power hour, so there's still time, and possibly volume could come in and make the stock become more schmexy. But my concerns are a couple. Number one, you got a top over here, you got a top over here, and you got a top over there. So that's a concern, because that's a triple top, and that could potentially be a bearish single. Bubble Beefs on YouTube said it wasn't just me who found the market somnolent today, right? I literally dozed off at one point waiting for something to move. 100%. You know, this is not unusual when you have CPI and PPI. Uh, the week of CPI, Consumer Price Index, and Producer Price Index. Now, the CPI and the PPI were both lower than expected, which is usually a good signal, and it's usually a bullish signal. But, you got that humus going on again. We got the problem with the humus. The dag gang straight of humus problem going on again. So that's kind of creating a problem. When you got missiles flying where the oil keeps going through, that's a problem. You know what I mean, Doubles? It's a problem.
Yeah.
So that might be part of the reason why, you know, risk aversion is higher than usual and volume is lower than usual. So we just adjust, man. You know, the market is ebbs and flows. It's not going to always be bullish. It's not always going to be bearish. It's not always going to be consolidating. You just gotta read the market the right way. I'm saying that's what I'm talking about. Anyway, IQST did form that triple top. Now that being said, the price action, you can see it over here, is above the volume weighted average. The volume weighted average is at $1.23. $1.23. Let's get that graffiti pencil activated. And $1.23 is the volume weighted average, right? So the price action is actually above the VWAP. So that's a good signal. You got some mixed signals going on here. And really the key is going to be what happens with this volume. Do we see this volume start to move over here? If we see the volume start to move over here, the next thing I'm going to be looking at is this RSI. Does the RSI start to move? And do we start to see the candles start to push upward? If they do push upward, we're probably going to start seeing resistance at somewhere between 135 and 150 as a key resistance area, if you will, or what some people might call the supply zone, where sellers start to take over and sell, right? If there's not enough volume to push the price action upward. I mean, it doesn't look schmexy. It doesn't look that schmexy, but, you know, we're going to talk about it. Consistency on X said he wants to check out DRD. What's up, Consistency? How are ya? I hope you're having a very green day. And I hope you're having a good time. Good time. Doubles, put some beach pictures up, bro. I feel like we should put some beach pictures of Destin, bro. We like Destin, bro. Go ahead, put it up there, bro. Put the photos up, bro. Put it up. Put it up. Put them up, I tell you. Put them up, I tell you. Come on, Doubles. Take care of business. All right, Consistency wants us to take a look at DRD. Let's take a look at it. DRD on X. He's asking for DRD. Okay, so this is a South African company, and it looks like it has very light volume. It's a more pricier stock, probably a larger float is my guess. Probably is my guess, which would mean that the movement is usually pretty tight on this type of a stock. Usually 1, 2, 3 percentage points up, 1, 2, 3 percentage points down, but this one's down a little over 5%. So the first thing we're going to do is crunch this up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, bro. That's done. Come on.
That's done.
But you know what? Our pictures are better than that. You know that, right?
Yeah.
We gotta bust out some of our pictures. I know we don't have any. Well, maybe in Google Drive, bro. Maybe I don't remember for sure. But anyway, that's a good looking photo right there. Look at that, the Emerald Coast, baby. Come on now. Oh, Harbor Walk, let's go, baby. Harbor Walk, come on. Let's go. You know what I feel like, Doubles?
Wow.
I'm feeling a little Italian today. You want to give me some Italian food from Harbor Walk? Give me a nice, beautiful lasagna, bro. A lasagna, bro. Put the lasagna up there, bro. Put it up there. Getting hungry. And I don't even like Italian food, bro. I don't hate it, but I don't like everybody's like, yo, you're Italian. Don't you like Italian food? It's okay. It's all right. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. But you know what my favorite food is, right, Doubles? You know. You know. Come on now. Come on now. You know what it is, bro. Look at the lasagna. Look at the lasagna, bro. Look at it. Bro, you know what I want you to do now? Now put some of the food that I really like, bro. You know what I like, right? Come on, bro. What are some of the things I like, bro? Come on, you know. Get it. Get it. Get it, bro. Put them Greek foods up there, bro. Put the Greek food up there, will you? Come on now. All right, so what's going on with this stock? Obviously selling off, right? It's looking like it's holding a level at around the price that it's at right now, $19.92. It's going to need volume to push itself back up. You could see that the RSI is relatively neutral. Ooh, look at that. Look at that lusciousness, bro. Look at, oh my goodness. You put chicken. I don't want chicken. I don't want no chicken. I want my lamb and beef, bro. Come on now, Doubles. Don't mess with my emotions, bro. Put the one that I like, bro. Put it on there. Come on now. Don't be dastardly. Stop it. Stop it. Ooh. Can you make it a bigger picture than that, bro? Make it bigger than that. Come on. I'm getting hungry, bro. Hold on. Poor consistency's waiting for me to talk about the stock, and you're putting food on the screen, and I'm getting hungry. Anyway, so it's holding support pretty much at where the price is right now. You can see that the price is starting to consolidate, but it's all happening on very light volume. This is a 5-minute chart, so it's actually making the candles bigger than what they actually are minute by minute. If I bring it to a 1-minute chart, you can see that the stock is even less mobile. The stock candles are even sparser, so there's just not a lot of volume going on with the stock, and as a result, the price got dropped pretty significantly. All right, we need to see the RSI start to move to the upside. Right, we want to see that. That's going to be the first catalyst that we're going to look at, as well as the volume candles. Pretty much both of them. Volume candles and RSI, all right? And usually when those two start to move, you'll see a curl upward from the price action. And the first Fibonacci level that needs to be broken on ticker symbol DRD would be roughly around $20.30. $20.30. Oh my. Oh, look at that. Look at that lusciousness, bro. Oh my goodness, that's so luscious. Gyro. And for the Greek folks out there, hero, right? Is that what they call it? Hero. Like that, bro. Yeah. So that's a story with this. I hope you make a lot of consistency money. Money. Consistency money. And bricks, consistency, why not? Come on, consistency. Make some bricks, bro. Make some bricks. You want me to check out Nokia? Ticker symbol NOK. Bro, back in the day, I had a Nokia. Bro.
Yeah, it used to be that when you dropped your phone, the ground broke.
Because it was a brick. It was a brick. But it wasn't a gold brick, but we want gold bricks right now. Bricks. Nokia. All right, this one took a beating as well. It's on a downtrend that needs to break that downtrend. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated. And we can see that it has been trending downward. It has been trending significantly downward. It needs to break that downtrend. The volume weighted average is at around $10.48. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated so you can see it. $10.48. Sensa, right over here is where the volume weighted average is. You can see that the price action is below that at 10.36, but it's close. And we can see that the RSI is starting to push upward. So we're going to be keeping an eye again on the RSI, keeping an eye on the volume candles, and seeing whether or not the price action can curl. It's been on that general down trajectory. This key area right here of 1048 is going to be significant because this is pretty much where the downtrend is going and where the volume weighted average is. So you have a confluence. What's a confluence? You basically have two or more things that are showing a thesis, right? And the thesis with this confluence of a downtrend and the volume weighted average is that that's going to be a significant resistance point for the stock. So hopefully it'll break through that. Ooh, shish kebab, bruh. Shish kebab. Beef souvlaki. Oh, is it beef or pork souvlaki? Beef. Ooh, that looks good, bro. Looks good, folks. By the way, when you join the Discord, we now have a server tag that you can put on your name. Make sure you put yourself a server tag on your name. Yes, sir. BNGR for banger. Look, Doubles. Look right over here, bro. Look. Right over here, banger. And you could click it, and it tells you about our Discord community. Our community, I tell you. Ooh, that looks good too. What is that? Is that the pork souvlaki?
Still beef.
All right, no more food, bro. No more. I gotta concentrate on the stocks. I'm getting too hungry, bro. All right, consistency wants us to take a look at HNRG, and then Casey wants us to take a look at AGEN. So let's go take a look at HNRG. HNRG. Let's go take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. Okay, same situation. Low, low, low volume. Okay, RSI is trying to make its way above the midsection, but it's having a difficulty doing it, and that's obvious because the float, not because the volume is low, right? And you can see that the volume is low. So again, we want to see the RSI start to move up. We want to see the volume candles get up, and we want to see the price action obviously move upward. But it's going to find a key resistance point at $16.22. Graffiti pencil activated. That is where the volume weighted average is, and that's going to be a key resistance point for this particular stock. It's a $16.09 stock. It's going to need volume to push through. So hopefully, as we get closer to the power hour, right, doubles? As we get closer to the power hour, hopefully volume will come in and move ticker symbol HNRG for you, my friend. Consistency. Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement so you can actually see some key levels of support and resistance beyond the VWAP. All right, so a Fibonacci level would be in around 1667 as a resistance area. Another resistance area is obviously at the VWAP at 1622, which happens to also be the Fibonacci level. And you can see that another Fibonacci level at $16 or $16.05 is where support is actually holding the price. And that's important because if it fails that Fibonacci level, the next level is down quite a bit. It's down to around $15.30. So that's a couple of things that we're going to be looking for HNRG, and I hope you make a lot of money with it. Consistency, make a lot of money, 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 money. Money, doubles, money, bro. Money, bro. All right. Casey on YouTube wants us to check out AGEN. This stock ran a couple of days ago. It's a heavier floated stock. I remember the stock. And again, we did some technical analysis a couple of days ago when it had that big run in it. We said it formed a pennant and it needed to break to the upside of that pennant. We needed volume to come in. We needed the RSI to move up. None of that happened several days ago. Now, this stock, it kind of got a little shortchanged. Part of it is its fault, and part of it is not its fault. I remember the stock pretty well, actually. This stock ran at around the same time that VEEE ran. I think that's what the stock that ran with it. The difference was that VEEE was a very low float stock. Okay, to give you an idea, to give you context, VEEE is slightly over 500,000 shares of volume. I'm sorry, 500,000 shares of float. Okay, whereas this ticker, the float is quite higher. Can we go into the search feature of the Discord community and take a look at AGEN? So we can tell the Banger Nation what the share structure is of this particular stock. Okay, the float, 41 million shares. Okay, 41 million shares. So that is a much larger float than what VEEE had. Okay, so when you're comparing apples to oranges, VEE was a low floater with news. This had news as well. The news was, what was the news? The news was stock today. Scroll down so I can see what the news was. I'm trying to remember what it was because I don't remember exactly what it was. Right here, scroll down. Yep. I don't remember what the news was. It had news. And it basically was competing at the time with VEE, which also had news. But the difference was VEE had slightly more than 500,000 float, right? Which is really low, very low. Okay, and this stock had over 40 million float, pretty heavy, right? So as a result, this stock ran maybe about 100% or something like that. Whereas VEE kept running for multiple days. It went from $4 and change all the way up to, I don't know, $40, $50, some kind of an insane number, okay? Yeah, so that's what part of the issue with the stock is, that it's a heavy floated stock, and that makes it less attractive to me because I don't like heavy floated stocks, especially if they don't have volume, because they can easily be outshined by another stock that's a low floater, and and if a low floater comes out with news, people are going to generally gravitate to the low floater rather than the heavy floated stock. But if we do a Fibonacci retracement, we can see that the price action is holding above the Fibonacci level at approximately $5, okay? And the price is trying to break the VWAP. The VWAP's at around 491, so that 490 to $5 level is a support area at the moment. If it can get some volume into it, the 550 is a psychological level of resistance for the stock, and then after that we would get to like around 585, $6 as another psychological resistance area. But what we're noticing when we look at the RSI, and the RSI speaks volumes, the price action is very much consolidating on the RSI. And when you see that the line, look at how thick this line is, you see it? That usually indicates that there are buyers and sellers on both sides pulling and having a tug of war, which makes it difficult and creates a situation where you have nothing but consolidation. So it's very difficult to make money with the stock, and you do see that the price action on the stock is absolutely consolidating because it's moving in a lateral way. So the only time I want to get lateral is if I'm going to sleep in my bed. I don't want my stocks to be lateral. I want them to be parabolic. I want them to go uppity, uppity, uppity like that, bro. I want them to go up like that. So it needs volume. It needs volume. That's the bottom line, because it's a heavy floated stock, so it's going to need volume to make it move upward. Consistency wants us to check out SNDL. Let's go take a look at SNDL. SNDL. Let's take a look at it. SNDL Inc. is the name of the company. It's a Canada stock, and this stock has a definite issue with volume. I can tell you right off the bat. Look, guys, check out the chart real quick, okay? You can see right over here. Do you see how this looks like a barcode? Like if I had a credit card and I turned the card around, put a picture of a barcode, bro. Put a picture up, will you? Show the picture, an example of a credit card barcode. Put it up there. Put it up there, I tell you. Credit card barcode. Credit card barcode. Put it up there so I can show a picture of it and compare it to the price action of SNDL. There you go. Put it up there. Perfect. Perfect. Put it up, doubles. Put it up there so we can show it. Okay. So why do they call this type of price action barcoding? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Barcoding. 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 Okay. And I'm going to explain it to you. Okay. Look. You see how it has that appearance very similar to the barcode of the back of a credit card? Take a look, guys. See? Right over here. See it? Okay. When you see this, this basically is a clear signal that the stock does not have a lot of liquidity. In other words, there's not a lot of volume in the stock, right? So that's what's going on with this particular ticker. It's currently up a little bit, right? It's up just below 1%, but it's operating. It's moving on very light volume. The price action is above VWAP, okay, but it's moving on very light volume, and you can see that the general theme of the price action is very much a consolidating theme, and that is further reinforced by the barcoding. If I put this on a 1 minute chart, you could see even more clearly that it's barcoding, right? But even at the 5 minute chart, it's very obvious that the stock is very much barcoding, right? All right, so what does that mean? Why does that happen? That happens because when there's a lack of liquidity, built into the system is a system where they have these companies called market makers, and what they do is they are required to buy and sell stocks when there is no liquidity. So whether or not there's a buyer or a seller, the market makers will come in and go ahead and basically provide the liquidity necessary to buy or sell a stock when there is no liquidity, right? And the way that they make money is on very slight movement up and down, and that is what causes this barcoding type of signal. So whenever you see barcoding on a chart, it's a clear indication that there's a lack of volume, right? And if there's a lack of volume, well, you know, if we're parabolic traders, which is what we do, right? And there's no volume, how are you going to have a parabolic move? Volume is your demand. Remember, volume is demand. Volume is demand. Doubles. Volume equals demand, bro. Right?
Yes.
Am I right or am I wrong?
Yes.
I'm right. You know I'm right. Say I'm right. Say I'm right, son.
Yes.
Say I'm right. All right? That is your demand.
Demand.
All right? Demand. I said demand. It's right there. My N is right there, bro. Don't you see it? Right there, bro. Come on, don't
That
be
was a nice
particular.
save. That was a nice save. I'm not gonna lie.
Don't be particular, bro.
That was a nice save.
Bro, come on. You're messing with my flow, son. Come on, don't mess with my flow. All right, the float is the supply of shares that are available, right? So you want a low float and a high demand, right? Low float equals low supply of stocks. High volume equals high demand for stocks, and that usually pushes the price action upward. So if you see barcoding, you've got the opposite. You've got whatever the float is and a very, very marginal amount of volume, so the price action is barely moving. And as a parabolic momentum type of trader, that's not necessarily so juicy. Anyway, with this particular stock, we're probably looking at a key level of 135 as a key resistance point. But before we even get into that, it needs to get some volume. So SNDL needs volume, and it would probably get a significant resistance area at about $1.35. $1.35. How did I do, doubles? How did I do? All right, doubles. We got to go back into Fortnite, I think, doubles. We got to do it. Now that they tried to sabotage me, and I still got a victory royale. I didn't even try, bro. I got like 2 eliminations the whole game, bro. Time to get a dub for the community. But before we do that, I'm going to put TGHL up. TGHL. This is a stock that has run up. It's still trending upward, doubles. I'm not going to lie to you. TGHL, it's choppy, but it is trending on upward. It's still remaining friends with the trend. It's still above the VWAP, and it's pushing upward. Not the type of price action I like, but it is moving upward. It is very thickly traded. You could clearly see that on the RSI, and this is one of the reasons why I like using the RSI. A lot of people are like, oh, all you need is the VWAP, but there's so much information that you can garner from other indicators if you know how to use them. Now, can you get overwhelmed by using a lot of indicators? Absolutely. So what I always suggest is, for me, the way I did it, I started to work with one indicator at a time, and the VWAP is probably one of the best indicators to start off with. And then as I got comfortable with the VWAP, I started adding other indicators, and some of them I stuck with and some of them I didn't stick with. But the RSI and the volume candle and the MACD, things of those natures, were some of the indicators that I still use to this day, right? And the RSI is an incredible indicator once you understand how it works and how to incorporate it into your trading style. That's what worked for me. But again, you have to make your trading style unique to you. So learn. Education is power. And now it's time to get a victory royale for the community, doubles. Let's get a share party. We're almost at 420 for the memes. Time to get a share party. Get 420 for the memes, and then 500, and maybe even a dials. And can we get a dials and doubles? Why not? Why not? I know it's slow today. Every time the market's slow, folks don't want to learn and have fun. But you know what? Come on now. Come on now. And here's a barcode for you. and here's some souvlaki for you.
Ooh, yeah.
And here's some barbecue for you. And a gyra. I tell you.
Gyra.
Bobo said, what did Bobo say? Bobo said TGHL was good to me today. Let's go. Bobo money. Can I get the thing over here? Where's my little thingy majig, bro? Hold on, please hold. Come on, Bobo money. Let's go, Bobo. Bobo made money. Consistency said on X said, thank you, Nick. My pleasure, brother. Consistency money too, bro. Consistency money. Bricks. What are you talking about? Oh, I forgot, bro. I forgot, bro. Why is this guy like right next to me, bro? Bro, don't you know anything about personal space? Let's have a conversation. He's got a baseball bat. Never mind. I'm leaving. Wait a minute. I got a sword. I'm not leaving. I got a sword. Come here. Sword beats bat. And stay away from my personal space.
Football bat.
Right?
Look up, coach. Look up.
What? Ooh, I love that football. Ooh. But you know what? Bobo probably does not like that. That is so good. Oh man, Bobo, you gotta take a trip to Florida, bro. We gotta bring you to the dark side, brother. We gotta bring you to the dark side, I tell you. I can't believe they got rid of the yacht. Where did the yacht go, Doubles? Why did they get rid of it? That's my question. That was my spot, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm still gonna land on the. I'm still gonna keep the same thing.
You gotta remember in lore, the duck is a mercenary.
Is that really what the lore is? The duck's a mercenary?
He's private military, technically, yes.
Really? I didn't know that, bro. I did not know that, bro. I did not know that. I did not know that, Doubles. I did not.
Either that or a mob boss, one of the two. But I mean,
Really, bro?
I'm pretty sure he's private military.
Oh my. Oh my. I tell you, oh my. Let's
By
get
the
some.
way, what does that thing do?
This is a launch pad, bro.
No, I mean the number 2.
I don't know. I don't know what it was. Are you talking about the thing that was by my axe? I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's got like an added feature or something. Oh, dude, my movement's much better, bro. Bro, my movement's back, bro. I'm back. I'm back, bro. I'm back. Ooh, there's an enemy up top. You see him?
Yeah, sure.
I got no mats, bro. I'm in new position right now to have these flat right now. No. No, 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 no. You rotten scoundrel. Where's he at, bro? Where's the beef, bro? Where's the beef, bro? Where is this fool? Where is he? Where are you? Where is he, bro? Mm-hmm. He was up here. And now he's not. Alright. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where you want to go in the volcano blues. Where did this guy use a gizmo from your pickaxe slot? Okay. Alright, alright. I don't know where this guy's at. But I know I got this thing right here, bro. And I like it. I like my little turret, so to speak, bro. Right? Eventually he's going to let me know where he's at, bro. Right? I know he's hiding, bro. I know he's hiding. Where's the duckies? The duckies! Duke! Does that duck have the eyeglasses on it, bro? Yes or no? It does, bro. Look. The duck with the eyeglasses, bro. The ducky with the eyeglasses. The eyeglasses. Poor fella needs to wear eyeglasses. His vision's not so good, bro. Not so good, bro. Yo, I don't know if this guy's here, but I feel like he's still around, bro. You know? Because a lot of these dastardly evildoers, that's what they'll do. They'll loiter and hide, bruh. They'll hide. But maybe he thinks I left, you know? Could it be? Could it be? Could it be? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where you want to go in the ball. Oh, told you. What did I tell you, Doubles? You're dastardly. Huh? Go back to the lobby. You've been eliminated by Banger Nation! Huh! I knew that scoundrel was hiding, bro. I knew it! But nah! You can't take down Banger Nation, no! No, it's a Banger Nation thing. You either know about Banger Nation or you don't. I'm just saying. Huh! And I had my little rubber ducky too, bro. I had my rubber ducky. You think I'm gonna give you my rubber ducky? Get out of here. You can't touch my rubber ducky. It's not for you. No, no. No, you cannot have my rubber ducky. Doubles, tell him, bro.
No, you cannot have
what is wrong? Dude, what is up with that, bro? Is that weird, bro? Look at this, bro. Looks like it's water, bro, but it's not water. Crazy, right? Cray, bro. Oh, storm, bro. Storm! Oh my, I got no heals, bro. What the freak? I didn't realize I had no heals, bro. Oh, look at that. Look at that dream sprite. Come here, fella. Come here, buddy. I need heals, bro. I need white heals, dude. I need it. Medkit, come on. Seriously? No medkit, bro? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Ooh, grappler. The grappler. I got the grappler, Doubles. I got the grappler. I got no heals, bro. Alright, we gotta move fast, bro. I got no heals. I gotta go buy myself some heals, bro. I gotta go buy some heals, doubles. Otherwise, we're gonna have some problems. Some problemos, bro. It's only a 1 tick, but still, you know. Sometimes you need yourself some heals, you know. Come on, get out of there. Give me that. Give it to me. Give it to me. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go over here. First things first. Okay. Now we're doing a little bit better. Let's go get the med kit. The med kit. Let's go. All right. Ooh, look at this. I don't even have far to go, bro. I don't, bro. You got anything over here that I want? Yes, sir. I want that. Yes, sir. And I don't need that. No, I don't need none of that. How about this one over here? Right over here. Give me a med kit. Med kit. Med kit. Med kit. Give it to me. Med kit. Med kit. Med kit. All right, doubles. All right, doubles. Double X, bro. All right, all right, all right. Ooh, the suitcases, bro. I probably should get myself a little chuggy juggy, bro. Right? Toss it over there, bro. Get a little med kit, right there. Get a med kit, right? And toss it over there, bro. And get the suitcase. Why not? Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not? And then pop this little sucker right there. Come on, come on! All right. I don't know, man. You know what? All right. I'm gonna leave this alone for now, bro. The chug. I probably should take the turrets, bro. But I feel like I should try this sniper rifle, bro. The sniper rifle. What do you think, doubles?
I think you should try the sniper rifle.
I feel like I should do that, right, chat?
It's a mythical sniper rifle.
It's a sniper. It's a sniper. And it's good for you. It's good for me. You know what I mean, doubles? Right?
For you and me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ooh, look at that. What is that? Why'd he do that, bro? Look, a sniper rifle, bro. Sniper. The sniper rifle. Alright, let's go and do this, bro. Alright, we're gonna get ourselves a potable extraction. Somebody was here, bro. Somebody was here already. What the freak is going on, bro? Alright, let's get a little doodad right there. Let's get that fella right there. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's extract this little doodad right here. Let's go ahead and do a little extraction. Extraction. Let's go. Oh, you got multiple extraction things now. You see that, doubles? Oh wow, they got like more things that you can extract, bro. For real, bro. For real, bro. I'm for real. I'm for real. I'm the truth, bro. Cause I'm for real, bro. Woo-wee. Let's go, doubles. We armed and dangerous now. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I got myself my Batman grappler. The grappler. The grappler. But I gotta be honest with you, doubles. I like the pop rocks, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really like the pop rocks, dude. I'm not gonna lie. For real, doubles. For real. Right? Yes or no? Pop rocks are bomb diggity, bro. They the bomb diggity, son. They are, bro. But I got the grappler. I guess you can grapple the person too, right, doubles? Right? Let's go, grappler. The grappler. The grappler. Alright, doubles. Ticker symbol MAAS. Moving.
MAAS.
Heavy float. Heavy float. Moving up 33%. The percent. And doubles. We got 2 minutes before the power hour, baby. Power hour is getting started, baby. Power hour starting, doubles. Yo, doubles. Power hour. The power hour is getting started, fellas. Let me see how this... Ooh, I don't like the sniper, bro. I should have gotten rid of it, bro. I should have kept the turrets. I don't like that little arrow thing. The reticle does not work for me. I don't like that reticle. I don't like it, I tell you. I don't like it at all, I say. Right, doubles? I don't like the way the reticle looks. Somebody used the chug jugs over here. See that? Somebody was here, bro. Somebody was here, bro. Somebody was here, I tell you. They were congregating in my casa over here, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Ooh, look at that. I don't know, bro. This is what I'm thinking, dude. You know? I know, right? It's a mistake, doubles? What do you think? Somebody's here, bro. Shut up! Shut up! I said shut up! Huh! Bro, the sniper would not have done that, bro. You know? The sniper would not have done that, Doubles. You know that, right? You know that, bro. The sniper would not have been the answer, bro. It was the turret that defeated the evildoer. The evildoer. He was trying to ensnarl the victory royale from the Banger Nation. But it didn't go quite well for that fella, did it now? Nah. No, no, no. No good for you. No, Beldy, no. Oh, no. We got an enemy over here. We got an enemy. We got an enemy. We got an enemy, bro. We got an enemy, bro. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We got an enemy. We got an enemy over here. Whoa, hello. Hello. Whoa, hey, yo. What do you do? Man. Man, why is everybody bothering me, bro? Leave me alone. I'm just trying.
Where'd the sniper go?
I don't want the stinking sniper, bro. I want the turret, bro.
What's the matter with you?
I like the turret, Doubles. Did you see what the turret did to that guy? The turret messed him up, bro.
I know what I mean.
Bro, the turret, bro. Come on, Doubles. And I got my little grappling hook over here, bro. Look at my little grappler.
Oh, the Batman grappler.
I got the Batman grappler.
It's back. Okay, that's cool.
I got the Batman grappler, bro.
Yeah, that's cool.
Bruh.
Batman grappling hook is back.
But I will say that I really do want Pop Rocks, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know. Let's try the grappler. Let's try it, bro. The grappler. Oh, look, but you got some mobility with that too, bro. I don't want to waste it though. I only got like 25 more shots, bro. They don't really give you a lot of shots in it, bro.
That's a lot of shots.
Is it Doubles? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. This is Santa right there, bro.
If you could shoot that a long distance and just go.
Whee! Like that, bro. Like that, bro. Ooh, look, they put a boat over here and everything, bro. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I gotta refresh my weapons, reload my weapons. Doubles! IQST moving 44%.
IQST.
44%, bro. You gotta say it like that, though, bro. You gotta say it with that sound. Moving 44%. IQST moving 44%. Like that, bro. Like that, bro. And you know what else is moving? Huh. MAAS moving 32%. Alright, we're gonna be over here chilling for a little bit, folks. My mobility is back, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Oh, I was playing with a squad yesterday, bro. And I was in this position right here, and a dude came by. Bro, I fried him with this exact weapon. The extended focus shotgun. Legendary version, bro. Hit him 3 times. He tried to jump off the ledge back here, bro. Caught him midair, and it was like a confetti story. A confetti story, you know what I mean? Maybe we could repeat the story again today. I don't think I want to carry this grappling hook, though, you know? Oh, I hear an enemy nearby, bro. With the Batman. He got the Batman thing going on, bro. Oh my god, it flies, dude. That's cray-cray, dude. That damn thing flies, dude. Did you see that?
Yeah.
What the heck is going on, bro? Where he at? Where he at, bro? Get out. Get out. Come on, get out, bro. Get out so I can eliminate you. Get out of your ride. Get out of your whip, bro. He's right there somewhere, bro. He got a little Batmobile, bro. Look at the little Batmobile. It's flying, bro. It's flying, bro.
It's flying.
Man, look at that fun, bro. Until I eliminate him. Alright, I just don't want to shoot right now. We got a bunch of enemies. We got a bunch of enemies, bro. Oh, look at this. There's an enemy right there, bro. Elimination. Alright already. Elimination. Elimination nation. Alright, let's go over here, bro. I need these guys to fight each other, bro. I need them to fight each other, bro. Look at this guy, he's right over there. Now the sniper would have been appropriate, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. See, when I need the sniper, I don't got the sniper. When I don't need the sniper, you know what I mean, Doubles? When I don't need the sniper, you know what I'm talking about, right? You know what you know what the problem is, right? You got it?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, I'm just pointing that out to you, Doubles. Okie dokie, fellas. Oh. Alright, alright, alright. It's a Von, Vivon, bro. It's a 1v1, bro. And I gotta come out of this doggone storm, dude. No. And I'm presuming that he's up there somewhere, bro. I'm guessing. I'm just guessing out loud, bro. Where is he, bro? Bro, what is going on here, bro? What is going on with this storm, bro? Where is he at? Where is this guy, dude? Where is he? Where'd he go? Where did he go, my lovely? Na-na-na. Where did he go, my lovely? Come on, bro. Where are you? Come on, show your ugly mug. I hear the vehicle. It's the guy with the Batmobile, bro. It's the guy with the Batmobile, bro. He's right there, bro. He's right there, bro. Oh, my goodness, bro. All right, fella, I got you. I understand the assignment now. What? What, bro? What? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? What do you want? What do you say?
You might want to reload. He's chopping it down.
Are you kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me, bro? Did you see that?
What happened to you? You got shot in the back.
Bro, no, he shot me in the... He skull shot me, bro.
Oh, so Abraham Lincoln.
Dude, don't say that. He did not Abraham Lincoln me, bro. That's not nice. Doubles, I taught you better than that, bro.
Bing bong to the back of the dome.
No, bro. Come on, you're hurting my feelings, Doubles. Stop it, bro. What's wrong with you?
Kumbaya.
No, he's starting with the kumbaya, guys.
Kumbaya.
Oh, no, Doubles. Don't do that. Don't do the kumbaya. No. Oh, man, what is wrong with you, Doubles? What is wrong with you, bro?
Actually, that song is not copyrighted.
Oh, man. I want to see what's going on here. I got to figure out what happened. Bro, this is horrible, dude. I can't believe he did that, bro. Bro, Doubles, it's your fault, bro. It's your fault. You distracted me again, bro. You did, bro. You sang Kumbaya and you threw me off, bro.
I didn't sing no Kumbaya.
You did. I got you recorded over here, bro. You started singing Kumbaya and I got shot in the skull, dude. No, bro. Look at this guy, bro. Look at this evil Batman lookalike fool. Come on, man. Look at him, bro. He had lust and thirst in his heart, bro. Look at him. Look, bro. Look at how he, like, smashed into me, bro. Look at him, bro. What's wrong with this guy? What's wrong with him, bro? Look. He does a reverse, and he's in this Batmobile. That's not even the Batmobile. No, that's not the Batmobile, bro. It's not, bro. It's not. I should have stole the Batmobile from him, bro.
I told you to steal the Batmobile from him.
I did not hear that, Doubles. Look at him. Look at him. Why are you shooting with a rifle, with a shotgun at my building, bro? What is wrong with you, bro? What is wrong with you, bro? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Look, couldn't the storm, like, eat him up a little bit, bro? Come on, look, you're in the storm. Come on, bro. Take more damage. Medkit, bro. He medkitted, bro. Bro, he medkitted, bro. He medkitted, bro. Look at that, bro. He medkitted, bro. Dude, how is he hitting me, bro? You gotta admit the aim's a little bit ridiculous, right?
Oh, it is nuts.
That doesn't make any sense, bro. Wait. Bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Slumber song. Slumber.
Come on, bro. Do not play the slumber song. The guy just shot me in the head. What is wrong with you? I'm your father. What? You're evil. I'm not even going to talk to you. You're just evil. You're just evil. I got to see what this guy did. And look at his stupid name. ZapTZFN. I mean, get a normal name. Like CoachNickMoney. You know what I mean? A normal name. What is wrong with what is wrong with some of these people that play this game? This game is out of control. I'm angry. I'm playing this game under protest. That's it. That's it. Look. He should be taking storm damage. Take a lot of storm damage. Look, you should have broke your spinal on that. Look at how you jumped and hurt yourself. Look, but no, you got medkits. What is this? What is this? Huh. No, seriously, Doubles, look at this. How the heck is he hitting me? That's sus, bro.
That was actually...
That is sus, dude, and he's hit...
All joking aside, that was...
And look at how he hit me through the tree, bro. Now, maybe it's ping, maybe it's not ping, but that looks kind of sus, bro. Right, Doubles?
Yes.
All right, let's watch the rest of this, bro.
Yeah.
How did he do this, bro? How did he do this? I don't know. He's in storm, dude. He's in storm, bro. Look at that. How did he get that shot off, bro?
Oh, no, the shotgun I just saw. That I saw.
Did he aim? Was the reticle on me?
The reticle was on you.
Hold on. Please hold.
Yeah.
Please hold. Please hold. Hold on. Hold on.
The shotgun was on you.
Was it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. Because I think... Hold on.
Ready.
All right. And he does it as he's jumping down, bro? Wow.
No, I've done that, so I can...
Yeah, I guess you can do that. But then what? So he's got the striker pump on him. He's in the storm, but of course, it's a 5-tick. Nothing's happening to him. Of course.
He's not in the storm.
Yes, he is, bro. Look, he just came out of the storm just there.
Oh.
He was 100% in the storm, bro.
I thought he was out of the storm.
Bro, he was... Oh, and he's wearing this, the demon sprite that basically... Look,
So it's
now I'm trying to throw the turret, and now watch this, bro. Watch this. He wasn't even aiming at my head, bro. You saw that, right?
Yeah, no, I saw that.
Bro, he wasn't even aiming at my head, bro. And he still eliminated me. 110 damage, really? Bro, you gave me a heart attack. Why are you ringing the bell? Bro! What's wrong with you? Stop ringing the bell, bro. Bro, dastardly, stop. Stop it. I'm not dead yet. Look, I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet. Look.
Okay, all right. You're right.
Come on, bro. Don't do that.
No, you're right.
That is evil.
You're right.
That is evil. I should have shot him when he was... I was going to put the turret on him. I was waiting for some distance to put the turret out on him, bro.
Yeah. No,
Man, I should have threw it before I jumped down, bro.
What you could have done is you could have, like, tossed it to the side.
I should have done that, bro. I should have done that, bro. I should have... Look at that. Look! Did you see that? Did you see that? He wasn't even... His reticle was not on me, bro. Look at it. Look, bro. Look. Stop with the bell! You're upsetting me, bro. Come on, man. Stop it! What's wrong with you?
Sorry.
Stop it, bro. This guy's cheating.
That's not cheating.
Another cheater, bro. Look. Look at this. Do you see where his reticle was, bro?
What Shotgun kind of has spread.
Doubles, 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 doubles.
That
Doubles.
I'm not
I
trying to
suspect
defend him, but
I suspect that you and he have something going on here. Maybe he paid for you to, I don't know, how should I put it? Throw me off. You know what I mean?
throw you off.
Something seems kind of irregular in Denmark. You know what I'm talking about? Doubles. Maybe he hired DBL Dastardly to eliminate me, bro. That's what I'm thinking here.
What?
Yeah, a little collaboration of the diabolicalness, a little diabolical behavior. I'm just saying. I mean, I'm just sort of from the outside looking in. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so that's another episode of Power Play. That is another episode of Power Play Doubles. We go back at it again tomorrow at 8:20 in the morning. Eastern Standard Time, 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is when we go back at it again with the Microcap Morning Show with my illustrious co-host as the star of the show, the one, the only, DBL Nick's in the house, and he'll be hunting down parabolic plays pre-market into the open on the Microcap Morning Show, so make sure that you're tuned in and have your notifications on YouTube at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. All right, quick thing before we wrap up. If you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it is full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risks, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, pre-market, regular hours, and after-hours scanners, float, volume, catalyst, context built right in, and you'll see our ticker tape scanner built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. This isn't noise, it's structure. And if this is how you want to approach the market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. And when you come in, let us know you saw us on the stream. We love hearing that. Okay. Also, we have a limited time offer if you want to get a discount on the membership for the Banger Nation Discord. We have a quarterly subscription that bills every 3 months, and you get a nice big discount by doing it that way. And the link is in the description and in the pinned comment for that offer as well. And it is a limited time offer. So if you want that, go ahead and take advantage of it now. And lastly, folks, if you want to represent the Banger Nation, go ahead and get yourself some swag. We got a link in the description and in the pinned comment for the merch store for the Banger Nation. For the Banger Nation, I tell ya. Yes, sir. It's in there. Go ahead and get yourself a cap, get yourself a t-shirt, get yourself a hoodie, get yourself a tumbler, get yourself a cup so you can have a cup of joe. Get yourself whatever you want, or get yourself a bunch of stuff. Why not? Why not, I tell ya. Why not, doubles? Why not?
Why not?
Folks, I call y'all indelibles because I want you to leave your mark. I want your mark to be unerasable, a.k.a. indelibles, baby. Indelibles. Listen, achieve your wildest dreams, aspirations, and goals. That's what we want to see happen for you. I hope you learned a little something from what I was showing you, and I hope you had a good time. You had a couple of laughs with us. We love hanging out with you. It is absolutely incredible and amazing. You guys make this so much fun, and I want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We want to thank you both. We both want to thank you. All right? You guys are absolutely amazing. Knowledge is power. Okay, knowledge is power, and you know what? Do great things for other people. It's so amazing. It's so amazing to make money and have a good time with other people. Makes you feel good, and it does great things for other people. Why not? Why not, doubles? I say.
Yeah,
why not?
Why not?
Why not? Okay,
Why not?
folks. Have a very greenable day. Make a lot of money, and it's